not just for a music program, we are here for something deeper. We are here to witness a beautiful coming together of Hindustani, Carnatic, and Gurmat Sangeet traditions, all offered in devotion to Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. The inspiration to organize this program came while listening to a presentation about Guru Sahib's life as we commemorated his 350th martyrdom in Gurdwara Sahib Charlotte. Through this program, I would like to highlight another aspect of Guru Sahib's life and share his musical and spiritual contributions, and would like to pay him a humble tribute. I could not think of a better way to honor and pay a tribute to my Guru than through singing and teaching his compositions in the ragas that he composed them in. When we sing the compositions of Sikh Gurus in the ragas in which they are composed in, we call it Gurmat Sangeet. And even though we are singing all compositions in Gurmat Sangeet, each and every rag that we are going to sing tonight is also a rag of Carnatic music and Hindustani classical music. So this evening is also a celebration of unity. Musicians trained in different classical traditions have come together as one Sangat to honor Guru Sahib and sing Guru Sahib's compositions. For those of you who are not as familiar with Guru Sahib's life, I would like to tell you briefly. In addition to being a fearless warrior, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was a saint, a poet, a musicologist, and an excellent mridangam player. Tonight, we are going to be singing 8 of his compositions in the very ragas, like I said, in which those compositions were composed. And as we present each piece, we are also going to share its Carnatic and Hindustani equivalent ragas, so that we all can appreciate the shared musical language across traditions. And as you watch these performances, I would like to invite you to notice something special. All the performers that we are going to see here are mostly children. This is intentional. If we do not take the time to teach our tradition, pass down this tradition to our children, who will carry it forward? By doing so, we are connecting these children with swar, seva, and devotion, and also embracing Guru's message of singing and recite and helping others recite Guru's Bani in ragas. So this evening, I ask you to open your hearts and listen to these performances, not just with your ears, but with your soul, with great joy and humility. I would like to invite Gaurav Thakur, my student and host of this evening, to present Swar Sangat, an evening of Swar, Seva, and devotion. Gaurav.
Hello, good evening everyone, and welcome to our music recital. I'm Gaurav Thakur. I've been learning music for last 7 years from Arvindji, and I've cleared my 4th year of exam, and I've started learning my 5th year of ragas in my journey towards Sangeet Visharad. Today, as ma'am said, I'm the host, but I'm not the real host. The real hosts are our 2 young girls here, Panash Seth and Arya Argunda. You'll see as the program goes how much knowledge they have and what all they will talk about ragas and shabads. You'll be amazed with that. This journey of music has been much more than just learning ragas and notes for me. It has taught me the importance of discipline, regular practice, persistence, and helped me build a deeper connection with music and the divine energy. It has also drastically changed the way I listen to music. Now I'm naturally drawn towards classical music, listening to classical maestros, listening to their live programs, and definitely brings more calmness and a deeper spiritual connection within me. Through this program, as ma'am just said, our hope is to create a platform for students who share the same passion, and also to help nurture their voices, train their ears, so that they can sing, listen, and also appreciate both rag-based music as well as kirtans. So without further ado, let us begin our first Shabad composition in Rag Bilawal, performed by Akshara Akineni, Shruti Kulkarni, Akshat Gupta, Darsh Patel, and Malhar Deshmukh. Let me tell you a little bit about Rag Bilawal. This rag uses all Shuddha Swar, and as the word Shuddha says, it is associated with purity and devotion. Before we begin, Darsh Patel will briefly present the meaning of this Shabad.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा
वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
I am Darsh Patel. आपके is a Shabad Prathana Guru Gurdev Bahadur Sahib Ji.
And speak louder.
This Shabad teaches us that when people forget God and only think about money, toys, or other worldly things, they may feel unhappy inside. Guruji says that remembering God's name helps bring peace, kindness, and happiness. This Shabad also reminds us that everything in the world does not last forever. Being greedy or proud can make people sad. Praying, being good to others, and remembering God who helps us live a happy life. And God is always there to help us. True happiness does not come from having lots of things. It comes from remembering Vaheguru, doing good deeds, and having a loving heart. Vaheguru Ji ka khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki fateh.
Thank you, Darsh. Now we'll listen to the Shabad performance in Rag Bilawal, and Panash will tell us something interesting about the Rag.
बिलावल तब ही कीजिए जब मुख होवे नाम, राग नाद सब सोहने जा लागे सहज ध्यान। Third Sikh Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji, says Bilawal adorns only those whose mouth utters God's name. You can tell Bilawal Raga holds a foundational place in Gurmat Sangeet. In Carnatic music, its equivalent form is known as Dhira Shankarabharanam or Shankarabharanam. In Hindustani classical music, the pure Bilawal form is less frequently heard compared to its variant, Alaiya Bilawal. So let's hear Rag Bilawal.
a chakara and you can respond to that. So we will say Bole So Nihal and you can say Sat Shri Akal. So I'm going to say the chakara one time. Bole So Nihal.
Thank you for the beautiful singing and explaining the meaning of the Shabad. It was truly heartwarming to see these students perform with such grace and devotion. It is hard to believe that this is their very first musical composition that they have learned in their musical journey, and also this is their very first introduction to Gurbani. We will now move to our second performance, a Shabad composition in Rag Dhanasri, performed by Arnav Apala, Arjun Kevte, Arohi Buddhada, Akshada Aitha, Shri Shivya, and Radha Kevte. Before we listen, Arohi Buddhada will briefly explain us the meaning of the Shabad.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Arohi Mundala, and in this Shabad, Guru Sahib is saying, Kahe re bana kojana chai, sarabani vasi satha alepa tohi sang samai. Why are you looking for God in the forest? God is inside you, He dwells inside you, and He stays as your companion. Just like the fragrance in the flower is inside the flower, and your reflection in the mirror is inside the mirror, God is inside you, He dwells inside you, and will stay as your companion. But how do we find this God? We find God by meditating every day, daily, or singing Lord's praises with devotion.
Thank you, Arohi. Arya will briefly tell us some interesting facts about Rag Dhanasri.
Rag Dhanasri is an ancient rag with four major forms, described in both ancient and modern music granths. The form that is commonly sung in Gomat Sangeet belongs to That Kafi or the Kafi family. While Shuddha Dhanasri is less common in Hindustani music, its Sampra Pratik rag or sister rag Bhimpalasi is more known and loved. In Carnatic music, a similar form is sung as Abheri, also known as Karnataka Devgandhari. Let's hear the Shabad Kahe Re Bana Khojana Jaye from this group now.
Wonderful job, students. Another beautiful performance. And it is inspiring to see that these students are not only learning singing skills but also developing their public speaking skills. I especially was touched to see a mother and son performing together, as you might have noticed from the names. It brought back memories of when I first enrolled my son in music class and ended up enrolling myself. And that is how my musical journey started. So for many parents who want their children to learn music but struggle to motivate them, learning together can be the greatest inspiration with my experience. And some of my most cherished memories are practicing ragas with my son. It was a special time together. Also experiencing the stress and excitement of exams together along with the young generation. With that, we continue to our musical journey. We'll continue with our musical journey today with more beautiful ragas. So the next raga is Shuddha Sarang, performed by Chitrangada Nag, Sanvi Verma, Vaibhavi Juneja, Mokshaja Igalpatti, and Jasmine Sethi.
Sipat Kaurchandra is going to be on the keyboard with us for this short performance.
To explain the meaning of this shabad, I will now invite Vaibhavi Juneja.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Vaibhavi Juneja, and the shabad we're going to sing today is Mankar Kabugna Hargun Gayo, Vikya Sakhat Grayo Nisbasu, Kino Apno Gayo. This shabad is a confession of a person who admits that they spent their life distracted by worldly desires and negative actions, leading to regret or wasted time. In humility, they acknowledge their faults and ultimately surrender to God, seeking forgiveness and refuge through divine grace. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Thank you, Vaibhavi. The name Shuddha Sarang can be a little misleading. Shuddha suggests a pure rag without influences from others, and one that serves as the foundation of other sarang forms. However, in Gurmat Sangeet, Shuddha Sarang actually blends elements of other rags, making it more of a mishrit or mixed rag than a purely Shuddha one. Some scholars feel that this rag should not be called Shuddha Sarang. Instead, it should be called Kalyan Sarang or Kamod Sarang, as in its Purvang it carries shades of Kamod, while its Uttarang reflects the essence of Rag Kalyan. In Hindustani classical music, a form of sarang which is popular is called Brindavani Sarang. Let us now listen to Shabad from our students in Rag Sarang.
was such a beautiful performance. Uh, when Guru's Pani is rendered in ragas, as you can see, its power is elevated to another level. And this is why Sikh Gurus composed Panis in ragas as a spiritual prescription guiding us to live more consciously, awaken inner harmony, and ultimately merge with divine peace. With that, we'll continue with our next Shabad in Rag Tilang, performed by Arya Argonda, Chitramida Nag, Panash Seth, Isha Vishwanathan, and Yashwin Kachi Botla. Also, I'll ask Panash and Arya to explain the meaning of this Shabad.
In this composition, Guru Sahib is asking the human mind to wake up from attachment to the temporary world. It reminds us that our body, wealth, and possessions will not stay with us forever, so we should not become too attached to them. We should live humbly, remember God, and focus on spiritual values rather than temporary pleasures.
Scholars believe that Rag Tilang originated in the Telangana region of South India and later traveled north into Hindustani classical music through poet-composers of the 15th and 16th centuries. In Carnatic music, Tilang is a Janya Rag of the 28th Nelakanta, Harikampoji. Tilang also holds an important place in Gurmat Sangeet.
Rag Tilang reminds us that music is a universal language. Across different traditions and regions, music has the power to connect people. When we learn to understand and appreciate each other's musical languages. Now let's listen to the composition in Rag Tilang.
such a soulful singing of Tilang Shabad and explained beautifully. The essence of Guru's Bani explains us that all positions, relationships, and worldly pleasures are temporary, and the real purpose of life is to sing, meditate, and recite God's name. We will now take a short break and meet here again in 20 minutes. And again, quick reminder, please be here on time. And before you come in, please do remove the shoes and cover your head. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sanjay. Hello. Hello. Hi, my name is Sanjay. I'm going to play a short piece on the Mridangam today, but before that, I think I'll just talk about the Mridangam. So the Mridangam is one of India's ancient percussion instruments. It's mostly used in Carnatic music and South Indian classical dance, but it's appeared throughout India. It's a long tube of wood, basically, even though it translates to something like a body of clay. There's two sides to it. Both of them are made from layers of skin. So on the left-hand side, there's the bass side, which you can produce deep sounds like this, and also more percussive sounds like this. On the right side, you have the treble side, where you can also produce more percussive sounds, but also more tonal expressive sounds like this. Because the Mridangam is a heavier and much larger drum, and it's also one long drum, you play it a little bit differently than something like the tabla. You normally sit crisscross like this and put the right side on top of one leg. This way you can reach both sides. So the piece I'll be playing today is in Rupaga Talam, or 8 Talam, which is a 12-beat cycle. So the bowls of this talam go something like this. Nam dom dim dim dam dim dim nam dom dim dim dam. So here is that. So that's gonna be the base of this piece I'll be playing today. So I'll start out with that, and I'll continue to add more variations, speed, and different rhythms as I go.
This next performance is in Tal Dhamar, which is often played on Pakhavaj.
However, today we're connecting it with both the tabla and the mridangam, showing how rhythm links Hindustani and Carnatic music together.
Before we start this next Shabad, let's introduce Tal Dhamar.
Unlike Teen Tal, which has 16 matras, Tal Dhamar has 14 matras and 4 sections.
The first section has 5 matras, the second has 2 matras, the third has 3 matras, and the last section has 4 matras.
So the Tal without the bowls goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so let's try it together. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
And with the bowls, it goes like this. Da, di, da, ka, di, da, ha, ga, di, da, ka. So let's try it all together. Ga, di, da, ha, ga, di, da, ka.
Okay, so Rag Jajawanti is a beloved Hindustani rag known for its depth and emotional beauty. Its Carnatic counterpart is Dvijavanti, introduced into Carnatic music by Muthuswami Dikshitar as a Janya rag of the 28th Melakarta, Harikam Bhuji. In Gurmat Sangeet, 4 shabads in this rag were composed exclusively by Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. Jajawanti reflects the soul's victory after awakening, freed from attachment to the body, resting in peace, and becoming one with the divine as duality fades away.
Now that we have all the parts that we need to know, we call on stage Veda Boninani, Gaurav Thakur, and Nisha Vishwanathan to sing a Dhamar composition in Rag Jajawanti.
a soulful performance. We will now move to our next presentation, a Shabad composition by Guru Gobind Singh, composed in honor of his father's supreme sacrifice. This Shabad describes Guru Sahib as a protector of the Tilak and Janju, symbolizing his defense of the religious freedom of Hindus. His sacrifice stands as a timeless message that freedom of faith is a universal right, reflecting the Sikh ideas of oneness, pluralism, and courage in the face of injustice. This composition will be performed by Arya Argonda, Panash Seth, Veda Bomaneni, Gaurav Thakur in Rag Kalavati. we conclude our program with our theme Shabad, featuring 2 shlokas from Salok Mahalla Nava, composed by Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji shortly before his martyrdom. These verses remind us to continually remember and recite God's name, and are traditionally recited during the Bhog, the concluding ceremony. Now we call all students upon stage.
going to request Mr. Sajan Bhaliwalji to come on stage and Param Satkaryo Gyani Sarabjit Singh Ji Rangila to come on stage and hand the certificates to students. And before they start doing that, I just want to say a few things about Sajan Singh Bhaliwalji. He is the founding member of Gurdwara Sahib Charlotte. I cannot say enough how much effort he puts in to building this community, and what he has done. This community will not be what it is right now without his efforts. So I just wanted to mention, he does not need too much introduction. People who have been in Charlotte, they already know him. But for the ones who did not know, I just wanted to bring it to your attention. And also I wanted to, you may not know our Gyani Sarabjit Singh Ji Rangila. He's a very accomplished Kirtaniya. So I would request both of them to now come on stage and hand over the certificates to students.
and gentlemen, first of all, thank you so much for finding very precious Saturday afternoon of a beautiful spring to come and listen to Guru's music, Guru's word. The really credit goes to the mothers and fathers, the parents of the children, then the children, and our teacher, Arvind Kaur ji, जिन्होंने बड़ी मेहनत नाल बच्चा को पढ़ाया. If you can give them a hobby as a child, their brain is like a sponge. It can pretty much absorb anything. You'll be doing them a great favor because music itself is so fulfilling that you will never be feel alone in your life. You'll never be lonely. You're never bored. And your brain works so fast because there is direct correlation between the mathematics and music. All the musicians are great mathematicians. Most of the big scientists used to play violin and other musical instruments. Again, thank you very much for coming. And without any further ado, I'd like to introduce the Gandharva of classical music. We are very lucky to have Bhai Sarabjit Singh ji here. You have no idea how hard we have to work to drag him to Charlotte and to listen to his beautiful renditions of Shabd. I encourage all of you to come to Gurdwara Sahib and listen to him, especially on a rainy day. When he starts his ragas and starts with it's a different divine experience. And by Sarabjit Singh.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। बहुत अति प्रसन्नता धन गुरु तेग बहादुर साहब पातशाह जी की पावन पवित्र वाणी, जिन रागों में गुरु साहब ने गायन किया था, उन्हीं रागों में इस वाणी का गायन किया गया और बड़े डिफ़िकल्ट ताल जो आजकल सुनने में नहीं आते, ना कोई बजाने वाला रहा और ना गाने वाला रहा, पर आज यहाँ पर आकर ये सुनकर इतनी प्रसन्नता हुई, इतनी खुशी हुई। और टीचर्स जो सिखाने वाले हैं बच्चों को, मैं उनकी तारीफ़ करना चाहूँगा कि बड़े प्यार से, बड़ी मेहनत से, बड़ी लगन से आपने बच्चों को ये शिक्षा दी और आज ये बच्चे इस स्टेज पर सतगुरु की वाणी जिन्होंने गायन की, मैं रियली उनके लिए प्रार्थना करूँगा कि ईश्वर इस पे और मेहर करें और इनको तौफीक बख्शें, संगीत बख्शें, गुरबानी बख्शें। और मैं सबका ऑलरेडी जितने भी आए हैं, टीचर्स लोग, बच्चे लोग और ऑर्गेनाइज़र, सबका बहुत 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 थैंक्स। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Before we hand the certificates, I want to recognize one person who is here and made this evening even more special. My teacher, Amrita Biswas. I want her to come on stage, and I want all of you to, if you can stand up in her honor and give her a big hand. Ole Sonehal. So, Bilawal group, can you line up? Yeah, quietly from that side. Come and get your certificates. Akshara Akineni. If I mispronounce everybody's name, I apologize in advance. You can clap also, we finish saying that. You can clap. Akshara. Shruti Kulkarni. Darsh Patel. I'm sorry, Malhar Deshmukh. Malhar Deshmukh.
Mahawar Deshmukh.
Next, we have the Nasri group. Arnav Apala. Manchiga Para. Arjun Cavite.
Arjun Cavite.
You want it? Come.
Maharashtrian. Cavite from Maharashtra.
Arohi Mudada.
Rohit Mudda.
Akshada Aika. Sri Shivya. Sundar. Radha. Kaviti. Kaviti, right? Next, Tarak group, Jasmine Sethi. Moksha Ilapati. Chitrangadana. Tanvi Verma. Vaibhavi Juneja. Sanavi Verma. Next, we have our Tilang group. Tilang. Arya Aragonda. Panache Singh. Nisha Vishwanathan. Jasmine Kachibotla. Gary, a flute players. Dr. Ghosh. Zambia. Gaurav Thakur. I just want to say thank you to some people for me.
This evening, what we saw here today shows how one we are, how close we are. That's the message of Guru Nanak of oneness. We talked this morning too. There was a shabd, I said it this morning. Sabbe Sanji was Lion, koi na disse bahara jiyo. We are all one. And thank you, Aditi, for her great effort. We are dear friends from childhood. And Surabha, thank you, Indraji, thank you so much for it.
All the instrument players, Mr. Ravi, Kiran, Mehanji, and Mr. Thank you all. You made this evening I have forgotten everything that I was supposed to say. I'm very emotional, but I just want to thank my music family for trusting me and allowing me to teach your children whatever little I know, I try. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I want to thank my Gurdwara family from bottom of my heart. If I start taking names, we will be here forever. So I just want to, my entire Gurdwara family, I really want to thank you from bottom of my heart to come here and support our children and this program. Also, to each and everyone for taking time to come. Not too many people are interested in listening to classical music, so you all took the time and you came and you encouraged these children. It really means a lot to me. So thank you. I also want to thank Hindu Center for giving us this beautiful facility, and they were so helpful and they tried to work with us in every possible way. So I really want to thank them. I want to thank Mr. Scott for the sound. videography and photos. And I really want to tell this small story. I was trying to find a videographer, and of course, the budget was very small for this event, you can tell. This was just, all the lessons were free, it was just all volunteer work. But, so when I asked Sachin ji that I have a very small budget, and he said, you're doing it for a good cause, whatever you do, whatever you can afford is fine. So I really, very greatly appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Last but not least, all the volunteers for helping tying the turbans, doing the dupattas, helping me decorate with the food. Mandeep Paji did such a good job of, bringing the food. I'm sure I'm forgetting a lot more. But if I forgot anybody's name, please, I apologize. All the volunteers, without your effort and support, I would not have been able to do the show. And I really want to recognize Darshana Chauhan for all the print material, the beautiful brochure that you see. Please, if you have not had a chance to look at it, Darshana helped me look like. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So finally, I think thanks once again. Thanks everybody for coming out this evening and supporting our children. And from here on, I would like you to go outside. There is pizza dinner for you that will be served now. And thank you once again and good night.